Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I am going to show you how to prevent overheating problem on iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. Number 1. Avoid hot environments. The ideal temperature range for the normal functioning of the iPhone is set to be between 0 to 35 degree. If you are using your iPhone in a place where the temperature is above 35 degree, your phone will tend to overheat. It is okay. Simply rest your iPhone and allow it to cool down. Number 2. Remove phone case or covers. Better try not to use cover or cases. Number 3. Check your charger. Is your charger faulty or fake? You need to make sure that you are using a charger which is MFI certified. Number 4. Turn off Bluetooth, 5G, mobile data, Wi-Fi, hotspot, location services. Launch settings. Turn off Wi-Fi. Turn off mobile data if you are using. Turn off Bluetooth. Scroll down, tap privacy, tap location services, tap turn off, tap again. These services are not always needed. When you go to sleep, keeping these services running doesn't really make any sense. Number 5. Use low power mode. When you turn this function on, it will kill all those services that run in the background and drain the battery. To enable low power mode, launch settings, scroll down, find and tap on battery, enable low power mode. Number 6. Close all background apps. When too many apps run in the background, your iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro or 12 Pro Max can quickly heat up. So better close all background apps. Number 7. Update software. Launch settings, connect to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. Then tap General, tap Software Update and update your iPhone if update is available. Number 8. Launch settings, tap General, tap Reset all settings, put your iPhone passcode and tap again Reset all settings to confirm. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.